Looking for a bike racks for Chevy Cruze? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 best bike racks for Chevy Cruze available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect bike racks for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Hollywood Rack's top trunk-mounted bike rack. We are excited to announce the winner in this category. Hollywood Rack is our top bike rack for Toyota Highlander. However, SUVs, hatchbacks, and other vehicles are perfectly attached to this mounted bike rack. It can carry a maximum of 3 bikes on the back of the car, with a distance of 7/123 between the bikes. The dual arms in this bike rack provide good bike support. It is also very flexible, as it is foldable when kept unused. It has 3 types of extension strap to make an accurate fit according to the car. There is a capacity of 35 pounds per bike in this rack. It also has foam pads on the base so that the car is safe from any scratches. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Tiger Auto Bicycle Rack. Find the most fitted bike rack. The Auto Bike Rack is a great choice for anyone looking for a way to transport their bikes. It fits in any minibus, hatchbacks, sedans, and other SUVs and is 100% assembled. It can carry 3 bikes and has a maximum capacity of 99 pounds. The lower frames are padded so that the bikes are kept away from the vehicle, and the bike rack is also foldable for easy storage. It comes with an easy installation process and a lifetime warranty, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a convenient way to transport their bikes. At number 3 on our list, we have the Allen Sports Compact Bike Rack. Get your compact and foldable mounted bike rack. If you're looking for a mounted bike rack that meets the demand for most of the vehicles like sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs, then Allen Sports Rack is a great pick for you. It is made of metal and is very suitable for traveling. If you don't want to take any hassle for installation, then this one perfectly suits you. It can also carry 2 bikes, and it is so foldable that it can be carried in a backpack. There is a mini bag included with this bike rack. It has padded lower frames with 3 security straps and also dual compound tie-down cradles that promise to protect your bicycle. This keeps bikes safe and separate from each other. At number 4 on our list, we have the BV2 Bicycle Hitch Mount Rack. Provides a safety reflector to travel at night. It's another mount rack that comes with a tilting design, allowing the users to open rear gates with an attached hitch rack. It is easily foldable. It can carry 2 bikes together and has a capacity of 35 pounds each bike. The tire width is 3 inches and ensures durability. Besides, you can drive safely at night due to having a rear safety reflector with this mounting rack. Its tray-style loops and padded arms hold the bike safely and protect them from getting any scratches. At number 5 on our list, we have the XCAR 2 Kayak Carrier Rack. Find your heavy-duty rack for all vehicles. So, if you're searching for a heavy-duty steel rack that fits in the majority of the vehicles, then why don't you add this rack to your cart? This heavy-duty steel rack transports 2 bikes and offers foldable arms that can be folded easily when they're not in use. This bike rack can provide space for various designs of bikes because of its adjustable mounting saddles. Because of the mounting saddles, bicycles of any design and size fit in this rack. However, the saddles should be tied hard after adjusting for the protection of the bikes. Last but not least, the manufacturer introduced dual compound tie-down cradles that restrict your bikes from getting scratched from any accident. At number 6 on our list, we have the Allen Sports Deluxe Mount Rack. Perfect suit for all vehicles that carry 4 bicycles. This bike rack is a mega carrier of 4 bicycles at a time, as it has 22 inches of S-arms and is designed for most sedans, minivans, SUVs, and hatchbacks. Its configuration design is very easy and adjustable. Also, it is fully assembled and the installation process is less time-consuming. For securing bicycles during traveling, it has a patented individual tie-down facility. There is also an extra long receiver post for keeping extra and spared tires. At number 7 on our list, we have the Deluxe Trunk-Mounted Bike Rack. The patented design on this bike rack fits sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. For specific vehicle fit information, consult the manufacturer's website. This rack also has side straps for increased lateral stability and a single configuration design that eliminates setup hassles and headaches during installation. Individual tie-downs secure and protect your bicycles, while the padded lower frame keeps them away from your vehicle. It ships in certified frustration-free packaging, has a max capacity of 70 pounds, and comes fully assembled. Setup and installation takes seconds, and the 12-inch long carry arms easily accommodate a wide range of bicycle styles. The 115-inch wide carry arms allow for greater bike compatibility. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. At number 8 on our list, we have the TMS 2 pairs JBar rack. This carrier mounts to virtually all crossbars and load bars on the market and secures the kayak on its side, consuming minimal space on the load bar. As shown in the pictures, the kayak rack can be mounted on the ladder rack bar, sold separately. A maximum of 4 sets of kayak racks can be mounted on a full-size truck. The Kayak Carrier features a steel design with adjustable padding for carrying strength and kayak protection. The wide-mouth JBar offers easier loading and unloading, and the quick on-off hardware ensures fast installation and removal. The carrier is also powder-coated for rust resistance. It accommodates kayaks up to 36 weight and 75 pounds. Compatible with most crossbars and load bars. Please check measurements before purchase. At number 9 on our list, we have the ultra-compact trunk-mounted bike rack. The Allen Sports ultra-compact folding one bike carrier is perfect for traveling and commuting. It folds up small and fits inside a carrying bag or backpack, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. The 3 padded legs rest against a vehicle for stability, and the 3 adjustable security straps keep the carrier securely in place. The tie-downs and padding keep the bike secure and separate from the vehicle, protecting both the bike and the vehicle from scratches and damage. The carrier fits sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Please consult the manufacturer's webpage for specific vehicle fit information. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the MaxHull 50027 hitch mount bike rack. This bike rack features 2 foam padded hooks to secure and stabilize bikes to the rack without scratching the bike's finish. The hooks and tire cradles can be adjusted to fit most bike frames with 20 to 26 wheel sizes. The vertical post can be quickly removed for compact storage. The bike tire cradles can be adjusted along the horizontal bars using quick knobs for convenience and includes rubber straps for added stability. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.